What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're finally taking a look at the Bluedio T6. The last ones we looked at were the T5. Now, those ones were okay, but they were lacking in bass, and the ANC was okay. But from what I've heard, these ones should be a little bit better. Now, these ones are running off of Bluetooth 4.2. They do have active noise cancellation. They're made from aluminum titanium alloy. They have a 650 milliamp hour battery that'll last you about 25 hours. It only takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to charge, and they have a 200-hour standby time. Classic Bluedio packaging, nice. Oh man, those are slick looking. Ooh, I like the design of those. So in the box, we've got a Bluedio pouch and about a 5-foot long USB to USB-C cable. All right. They got the turbine right on the top. Very cushiony head strap. The ear cups are the wide version, so these are gonna go around the ear. They definitely have a nice cushion to them. Definitely digging the all black look. You can extend it out with the different numbers on there. It's actually labeled left and right. Right here you've got your power, your ANC switch, your USB-C port. I believe that's your microphone. Oh, wow. Okay, all right. These are the most comfortable Bluedios I've tried on so far. They have a nice snug fit, but not too snug like it's pinching or anything. All right, let's try out that ANC real quick. Whoa, yep. I could tell that they improved the ANC on here because there's a lot less like electrical static feedback that you would normally get. They're really quiet. Okay, cool. I think these will pass the shake test. Almost. Better than most headsets, that's for sure. Okay, all right, you gotta hear this.
Power on, ready to pair.
Power on, ready to pair. Her voice is so weird. Whoever they got doing that, lovely voice, but a very odd, it's a very odd voice. That's not bad. All right, I'm gonna switch to ANC on. It lost a little bit of the bass, but I kind of like it more with the ANC on. That is on, right? Yeah, the ANC is on. When I turn the ANC on, the sound clarity stays the same, but the bass just cuts down a little bit. It almost sounds more clear. Interesting. Let's try bass boosted. Whoa. Whoa. Let's try it with the ANC on. It still sounds good. Wow, that's got a nice rumble. Yeah, I think it actually sounds better with the ANC on. All right, let's try clarity real quick. Very, very clear, and I'm not experiencing any kind of latency. If there's any skipping when I put it behind me, I'm gonna sit on my, sitting on my phone. Oh, it's hard to talk when they're talking. There's no skipping or anything. All right, I'm gonna try the distance. I'll be right back. That was actually very impressive. Now, typically, with it being Bluetooth 4.2, you'd expect around 30 feet. I think that's what, 10 meters? I got to about 54 feet and ran out of room, so I couldn't even go any further, really. And it never even skipped a beat. That's really nice. I'm definitely digging that. All right, let's make a phone call. Hello, hey, can you hear me? How do I sound? Just sounds like I'm talking on the phone? Wow, cool. Good microphone then. Yeah, you sound pretty good too. Cool, all right, well, she sounded really clear. She said that I sounded like I was talking on the phone, which is always a good thing. So microphone's definitely a plus. These are probably the most comfortable Bluedios I've tried on so far. I know I've said that before, but they've done it again. They keep improving the design. They definitely did a really good job with the build quality too. I mean, these are sturdy, they got flexibility. I would say they're better than the T5s. All right, so highs, mids, and lows. Now, I said before that my scale of 1 to 10, 5 being in the middle of what you would expect, I expect Bluedio to sound good already. I'm gonna give them probably like a 6.5 on the highs and the mids, and then the bass, I'm gonna give like a 7.5. I'm definitely impressed with these. These are really nice. I don't know what my last score was with the T5, but whatever it was before, I'm definitely giving these a better score for sure. GearBest has them for 44 bucks, so I haven't found a cheaper one yet. Not only that, they come in 3 different colors. You got black, you've got red, and you've got yellow, and those actually look pretty sick. Either way, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. Highly suggest these ones, but I leave it in your hands. But as for now, get out of here.